Hello everyone and welcome back. In the previous video we have explained the file tab. Now we will start with the home tab. The home tab is very important. Everything related with the text, with the font, you can find it here in the home tab. So for example, here I will write something here. For example, my name is Osama, something like that. I just add something here. Now, in order to change the size, to change the type of the text, we need just to first thing by the mouse, you can just select the text, and then here you can change the size of the text. For example, I can make it 20, or from here you can just zoom or just change font, just increase the size of the font, or you can decrease it from here. So simple like this. Also here I can change the type of the text. For example, I can make it in this type. So whatever you need, Arial type, so just use this one or this type or any type you want. So for example, I will make it like Arial here. For example, if I need just to change the size or just to change the type of Osama, so I can just select Osama, that's it, and then change the size. Here, for example, change the type as well. So you can do whatever you want. Also here we have bold. So for example, I need name, make it bold, so select the name and then B, it will be just bold. Italic, also I can just select those and just say here it will be italic, so just make it like this. Also here we have add like this, just add a line under the text, and here you can change the line, make it like this, for example, or any type of line you can make it in this way here. Also to change the color of anything you want, so you can just select the font here, and here you can change the color of the font. Here we can just add not a color but like highlight. For example, I need to highlight on this, so I can add any color, but most of the time we need this color, this called highlight. This one here a little bit different. Also here we can use like a built-in or ready to use theme or style, so you can add any style from here you want. For this one, just select it, and here you can add any style. Now for example, you need to delete the color, so just select again, and here just say, just make it white or make it black again. For the color you need to remove the highlight, so just select it again, and again then go to the highlight and then say no color. So now there is no color here. Now if I need to add like a power, so for example 2 power 3 equal 6, for example. So how can I do that? So simply just select 3 here, and then here click here. Now it is power. If I need like here H2O, so the 2 should be in the down a little bit, so here we can select it and just make it down. Again, if I need to return back, so just select again and click again in the same place. I need to like add like a remove, so here we have something like remove, so to the text. If I need to make a word like capital, small, or something like that, so I can just say here Osama, and then I will remove this one. Then I need to return Osama to the without any design. I need to delete all the format or the style. So here you can click here to delete all the style, and then you can add the style that you like, that you want. This, and then I can just select it, and here you can make the sentence case the same case, or make it lowercase, all of it, or all of it uppercase, which means capital. And you can also make it like capitalize the first, only make the first letter capital, first letter in each word, make it capital. So you can work with it from here. So now we finish those. Also we have copy and paste. So copy and paste is simply like copy paste the file, same thing, Control C, Control V, or you can just, for example, I need to copy Osama, select Osama, Control C, and then when I need to go to the next line, just enter, press enter, again, go to the next line as you like, and backspace in the keyboard to go back like this. Now I need to paste Osama, so Control V, paste Osama here. Or you can copy, but just select here and then copy here. And then I need to paste, so go anywhere you want by the mouse, and then you can say paste here. So paste Osama. So this is the copy paste simply. But now if I have like Ahmed and I have Osama like this, Osama, I will change it. I will just add colors. I will add many things to Osama like this. Now I need to copy the style, just the style or just the format for Osama, and paste it here. So simply to copy and paste the format, you can just select the word and then go to the here format painter, click on it. Now I make copy. How to paste it here? So I need to paste it to Ahmed. So just select Ahmed. Now I paste the format. Just copy and paste the format. We have undo and redo. As you can see here, sometimes you can find it here or you can find it here. It depends on the version of the word. So here undo and here redo. Undo here and here redo. Repeat. So undo. So for example, I have a problem. I make this and then by mistake I delete the name here and delete M here, and maybe I forget what should I add here. So just click here again, everything will return back, or here again, everything will return back. Or you can say Control Z like this and Control Y like this. Everything will return back. So now I make some mistake here. I need to return back. So Control Z, now return back. So this undo and redo. This everything about the font here, the first thing. Now when I need to add something in the middle, so for example I can add the title. So the title should be in the middle or must be in the middle, so I can select it and just go here to the paragraph and just make it in the middle, or I can make it left and right and so on. Also here we can add like for example here I can just say point, for example. So now I need to add it like a list, so I can just select all of those, and then here we have many types of list like this as you like, any type of list. So for example I will add this list, this type of list. But now it is not correct, since the Word and Windows is just a part of computer skills or just belong to the computer skills. PowerPoint and Excel belong to the academic computer. So here we have like called like a level. So I need to add Word and Window in the second level, not in the same level with the computer skills. So I can just select Window and Word and then go to here to the same place. After that, go to the end, change the list level and just make it in the second level. Same thing here, I can select both of those and then change the level and just add it in the second level. We can add something in the third level. So for example, beside the below the word we have, for example, home tab. So home tab is a part of Word, not in the same level. So I can just select that again and then go here, change the level and make it in the third level. So now become in the third level below the Word. So something like that, you can just change it from here as you want. That's everything till here. So if I have this paragraph and then I can just select that, and here I can just change the line space, so I can add more lines between space from more space between lines like this here. Also I can add the background, so for example I add this background. Also I can add border, so for example border from bottom, border from top, border from left, right, as you like, or just say all borders from here. Here also I can select it and I can just add justify, so this work with the paragraph, justify. And as I told you, we have border and we have something like that. We have also find, so I need to find the word, so I can just click on the find here and just find what I want to find. So for example I need word, so click here, now just find the word. Or you can just press Control F, same thing, and you can find, for example, 4. So now just write 4 here and you can find 4 and click here, I can find it. Tabs in the word. So for example here we have 2 words. So if I just Control F, find, I just say word, so I can see we have 2. If I need to replace I can click here and just say here find word and replace each word with Excel, for example. So as you can see here, we have word. I can say replace all or just replace one. If I just say replace all, okay, now as you can see, word become Excel like this. So you can replace any word you want. So that's the important thing in the home tab. Hope you understand that, and thank you very much.